The PMCC stands for Product Moment Correlation Coefficient. It allows us to measure the strength of linear correlation between two variables. We denote it by the letter R, and it takes a value between -1 and 1. If two variables have no linear correlation, then R will be 0 or close to 0. If they do have some kind of correlation but it's not linear, then again R will be approximately 0 because the PMCC is a measure of linear correlation. If the data lies strictly in a straight line with positive gradient, then R will be equal to 1. The steepness of the gradient doesn't actually contribute to the value of R. So R will be equal to 1 so long as the gradient is positive and all the values lie in a straight line. A weak negative correlation will give a value for R which is negative and closer to 0. A stronger negative correlation will give a value for R which is negative and closer to -1. And then R will be equal to -1 when all the data points lie in a straight line with negative gradient. So with all of that being said, I'm now going to show you how to calculate the PMCC using a calculator. So here we've got a table consisting of two variables V and M, and we're trying to find the PMCC for this set of data. So I'm using a Casio Classwiz to calculate the PMCC. So first thing you want to press is menu, and then go to statistics, which is the 6th option on my calculator, and then choose y equals a+bx. So the reason we're choosing y equals a+bx is because we're trying to measure, with the PMCC we're measuring linear correlation. And so the closer R is to -1 or 1, then the more suitable a model of this form is going to be for the data, because this is a linear regression line. So when you press y equals a+bx, you should get a table of this form, 2 columns x and y, and then for the x column plug in all the values for the independent variable, which in this case is v, and then for the y term or the y column plug in all the m terms, which is the dependent variable. And so once you've plugged them in, then you want to press the option button at the top left of your calculator, and then go to regression calculator. And that should give you 3 values. It should give you a value for A, B, and R. And for this set of data, the value of R that I got was 0.870 to 3 sig fig. So give it a go, see if you get the same value for R. So our value for R, 0.87, is close to 1, which indicates a strong positive correlation, which means a linear regression line would indeed be suitable for this set of data.